Hello, my friends. This is Christy Shell with Zeal Coaching, and you are watching Coffee with Christy. Wow. And it is Friday, and I am here for my fun big announcement and to really invite you to join me on a little journey of self-love and self-acceptance. So here's a question. What does a 50-year-old woman finding a new career, a family who has been waiting on a long-awaited vacation, what do they have in common with a single mom who's looking for some sanity, for for someone starting fertility? What does it matter to, what does it have in common with someone who left a big paying job for a nonprofit job that she loved? What did it matter when someone reunited with their spouse in a real and authentic way? What does a person who found their passion and became an incredible advocate and it reignited their life? There are so many things. What do these folks have in common? All of these folks created and came to those conclusions and found that courage in my office over the last few years. And I, on the hardest days, are so inspired by their stories and their courage and their just willingness to step out, because all of them also had in common that they didn't believe in themselves. And I find so much inspiration to keep working hard in my job because I have those opportunities to impact folks. So today I really am wanting to help you think about what is the belief you have in yourself. What is the level of confidence that you have for yourself? Is it null and void? Is it blossoming? Is it pretty good, but you could definitely, grow that? Because I am offering you an opportunity to go on a journey with me. Maximize Your Confidence, my 6-week workshop, is coming November 1st, and I want to invite you to come along on the journey. It's one of the pleasures of my life is to build confidence for people and help them create and make the things happen that they truly desire in their lives. See, I feel like we have a crisis of confidence in the Midwest. I feel like we still have a culture that's kind of like, maybe you're not good enough. Or families who hold their people back because they're afraid of them getting hurt or to step too far out and take risks. I believe we have school systems who don't necessarily help students find those hidden gifts and help them believe in themselves and give them the tools to get there. I also believe that we don't create the relationships and the friendships that really support our understanding our self-value and our worth. And I want to do all of those things for the people in our area because I really feel like it's something that holds us back, and it really takes the heart out of all that we have that's possible. When I came to this part of Ohio, I keep running into folks that these are their stories and these are the levels. They may have gotten to some level of success, but they're still feeling hollow because they haven't healed those stories and healed that in themselves and started to believe in what's possible and found a community that supports them in doing that. We try to offer that at Zeal Coaching, and I've been doing it one-to-one for a long time, but I'm really trying to open up my offerings so that people in our community can come to a workshop and feel supported by a group of people and help promote and develop each other. So I hope you'll think about joining us. The workshop starts November 1st. The cart is open to sign up on Monday, and all the information is on the website right now if you want to check it out on zealcoach.com. But here's the other thing. Why would you trust me? Why would you say, I will trust Christy to go on this journey? Well, hopefully you've been watching these, and if you found value in Coffee with Christy, you're just getting a taste of what we can do for you in our workshops. But now we'll dig deeper and we'll apply it to what's going on for you in your life. But here's the thing. I've been studying personal development and personal growth for over 30 years, both, informally in my own study and my own reading, but also, as you know, through my education and my coach trainings and things like that. But that's not really how I know. I know because I've done it for myself. I've done it by having to overcome my own confidence issues, right? I was the girl, the nerdy girl, as you all know. I was the nerdy girl, the queen of the band nerds. And I looked like I was having fun and I was confident and bringing all my band friends along on my shenanigans. But inside, I was really lonely and I was really self-loathing. And later in college and different times in my life, that led to, really destructive behaviors, right? Drinking and sex and bad decisions and risky behaviors that really cost me a lot of self-worth and self-confidence. Those situations then I internalized and made myself feel worse about myself. I was depressed. There are times, 3 or 4 times in my life, that I was truly contemplating suicide. And all of that has changed. How has it changed? There's these moments where I've woken up and I've re-woken up and I've re-woken up until it's stuck, okay? And until I found the coaching tools that I've learned in my coaching world and in my trainings, and I started to apply them to myself. So I want to invite you to kind of go into that journey with me, to really have the courage to go into finding self-love, finding self-acceptance, and self-forgiveness. Finding that place where you truly start seeing that worth. Part of that journey for me was finding people who saw my worth, who were echoing and pointing out when I was doing things well. We don't all have that, but I found the people at the places and the locations where those kinds of things were happening for me. And that helped me turn it around too. That's what we want to do for you at Zeal Coaching. We want to be that voice. We want to be that community to do that for you. So, the other part of it too is this, is that I believe we all have the opportunity to create a life that we really want. A life of authenticity when we start to accept our quirks and celebrate those, and we start to see the gifts and the value that we have. So please consider this. Please consider joining me. Please consider going on this adventure internally and externally with me, and see how you can change all of it for yourself. I did it, and I am so excited about the things that I have been able to do in my life. I'm excited about my family, I'm excited about my career and all of the things, but I'm also just excited about getting up every day and being with the people that I love and help them. So, if this is for you or it sounds intriguing, I'll be sending out lots more videos in the next 2 weeks. Just trying to get you to think about this and really consider joining me or offering it or linking other folks into this series so that we can get ready for November 1st to dive in and to dig in and to find your light and spread it and shine it bright. So, consider joining me. Again, look at zealcoach.com for Maximize Your Confidence workshop information, and keep watching this my Zeal Coaching Facebook page, and we'll be adding some information as we go through the next 2 weeks. But I hope you'll join me. If you're a past client, there will be look for emails and things that will have discounts and offers. And if you are looking for some opportunities, if you've been thinking about coaching, if you've been considering coaching, this is a great way, and it's at a financial point where you probably can drop in and work with a group of people and really get some real things done, and you will get personal coaching from me, and there's a full package of an experience that will happen all of November. So make November the month that really wakes you up so that you'll start 2022 with a whole new self and a whole new outlook on life. This is Christy with Zeal Coaching. Have a fabulous weekend and love on your family and your friends, and just enjoy your day. Thanks.